Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's Umme with a new video. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are setting up the bullet journal for the month February. For this month I choose these three colors of pink, peach and purple. I am using this double-sided brush pen to decorate this spread. And as always I came up with a minimal spread. Those who love being minimal and those who are new in bullet journal, you can get inspired from this spread as it's really simple, easy and time manageable. As a college student, I try to choose the theme which will save my time. So for this month's cover page, I choose this simple theme which is inspired from artist Kelly. You can check out her Instagram named Caliters. I really love this theme of her. I also added some floral leaves to complete this spread, and this is how it turns out. Moving on to our next spread is the calendar spread. This spread is to check out and write down our events, programs and birthdays. If you're still watching the videos, thank you so much for clicking my video. If you like my work, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's free and it would mean a world to me. And also press the notification bell so that you won't miss the upcoming videos. This is the first time I'm adding a voiceover. I don't know if you like it or not. So let me know in the comments if you have any suggestion to improve in any parts or if you like it or not. I love reading your comments. It's really inspired me. And also check out my Instagram to get more ideas. I post different journal spread regularly, so don't miss it. Link is in the description. This is how the spread turned out. I added little stickers and washi tapes to decorate it more. Our next spread is the Braindam spread. It's really a useful spread for me. I note down every ideas which just randomly came up on my mind, and also the video ideas and the things I will do next. I just note down here. This is how the spread looks like. So the next spread we have the things to check out and the goals spread. Here I write down the goals and the things I'll do this month. It also helps me to cope up and challenge myself to try new things. how the spread turned out. Moving on to the next spread is the quote page. Our this month's quote is, "The real success is overcoming the fear of failure." It's a really motivational quote. After every failure there is a success, so never lose hope and don't give up on trying new things. Spread is the productivity spread, which is also a useful spread. It helps me to maintain my study and work time and also help me to be productive. I always put down the time I use for sleep, work or doing productive things and journaling. Moving on to our second last spread is the weekly spread or the planner spread. To make this spread I draw 7 boxes and I also added habit tracker so it's easy for me to use. Here is our last spread, second weekly planner. I really enjoy making this month's bullet journal. Hope you also enjoy it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Check out my Instagram to get more updates and ideas. Thank you so much for watching the video till now. It means the world to me. Thank you for supporting me. You guys always makes me happy. And here is the end of this video. So lastly, don't forget to smile. Your smile is the prettiest. Enjoy the flip through. Keep journaling. Bye bye.